Let me ask you this. Have you ever been sitting there, your finger on the trigger, your setup's perfect, everything you've been waiting for the last 3 hours, and then you click buy, and that wheel shows up, the little spinning wheel, you know the one, and you're staring at it, leaning in, like leaning in is gonna help, like the computer can feel you watching it. Come on, and it just spins. It's buffering while your money is sitting out there in the wind. Back in the day, you had one screen and a phone. That's it. One guy, one screen, you made your trade. Now, this guy's got 6 monitors, a mechanical keyboard that lights up like a Christmas tree, a setup that looks like NASA, and he still misses the entry. Why? Because he spent $400 on the actual computer. $400 on the one thing that does the work. Look, you wouldn't run a restaurant from a single hot plate, but here you are trading real money on a machine built for a college kid to write essays and watch Netflix. Here's what's actually happening under the hood when that wheel shows up, and why it's not your internet, it's your computer. Everyone blames the internet every time. The order's late, the chart freezes, must be my Wi-Fi. So you call the internet company, you sit on hold for 45 minutes, you talk to a guy with a funny accent, supposedly his name is Kevin, and what does he do? He has you unplug the router and then plug it back in like it's 1998. And it was never your internet. It was the computer the whole time. The internet did its job. The data showed up at your door, but your computer was in the back sleeping, taking its time deciding what to do with it. That delay has a name in trading. It's called slippage. It's the gap between the price you thought you clicked on and the price you actually got. And on a slow machine, that gap is where your profits go to die. A few cents here, a misfilled there. You don't even feel it day to day. But then you look at the end of the month and you go, where'd my money go? It went to that spinning wheel, my friend. It went to the wheel. So let's get specific, because the fast computer means nothing. Here's the number that actually matters. The processor in your trading machine needs a benchmark score of at least 45,000. That is the line. Below it, you're getting slippage and lag whether you feel it or not. Above it, your platform will keep up with you. And here's the part that makes me crazy. Did you know about 99% of the laptops sitting on the shelf at those big box stores don't even come close? Not even close. So basically, there are 3 things quietly sabotaging you. Number 1, the processor. This is the engine of your computer. These cheap laptops that are out there use these low-powered chips designed to save battery so you can sit in a coffee shop for 9 hours. Great for the coffee shop. Terrible when you're running 6 charts in a level 2 window and they all want the processor's attention at the exact same moment. Number 2 is the memory, the RAM. This is your desk space. And here's a rule I give every trader who calls me. 16 gigs is the absolute floor just to open your trading platform. But if you're running Thinkorswim or NinjaTrader with multiple monitors and live scanners, you want at least 32 gigabytes of RAM. And if you're stacking options chains and multiple platforms and heavy order flow, you want 64 gigabytes of RAM. I'm not kidding. If you got 2 trading platforms, a browser with 20 tabs open, the news, a scanner, Discord, all this stuff needs room to breathe. If you run out of room, your computer starts shoving stuff in a closet and running back through it every time you need it. That running back and forth, that's your lag. That's when your computer freezes. That closet is your virtual memory. It's your hard drive. You don't want to run out of room. Number 3, and this one's a crime, the hard drive. Some of these budget machines still ship with one of those old school spinning hard drives. That little record player inside your computer, physically spinning like a little washing machine. In the year we're living in, everything should be a solid state drive. No moving parts. Instant. You're trading the future on a machine with a record player in it. Come on. And look, it's not that your laptop or your PC's broken. It's that nobody built it for this. It was built for a student, for email, for watching a show on a plane. The guy who designed it was never picturing you 3 monitors deep trying to catch a breakout in a 2-second window. It's like showing up to tow a boat with a Prius. Nothing wrong with a Prius, great car, sips gas. But you hooked the boat to it, and now you're wondering why you're going 4 miles an hour up a hill and there's smoke coming out of the back. So here's exactly what I want you to do. Go ahead and do it right after the video. I built a free benchmark test that pulls your computer's actual processor score, and it tells you straight up in plain English, whether it's fast enough to trade real money on. No guessing, no specs, nothing to decode. It just gives you a number and tells you if you're above it or below it. That 45,000 line. Takes about 2 minutes. It costs you nothing. There's a link to it sitting at the top of the description. Go click on it after the video's over. If you come back north of 45,000, that is fantastic. I'm thrilled for you. Close this video, go make some money. But if you're staring at a number that starts with a 1 or a 2 or a 3, now you finally know what that spinning wheel has been trying to tell you for months. And you know exactly how much it's been quietly costing you. And if this test confirms what you were already starting to suspect, that your machine just isn't built for trading, that's the exact gap we fill. At Easy Trading Computers, we don't build gaming rigs with lights and dragons on the side. We build one thing, and one thing only: dedicated trading computers for active US traders. Every one of them is tuned to blow way past the benchmark, so your platform never makes you wait on it again when there's money on the line. The fastest thing you can do is pick up the phone and call us. The number is in the description below, and tell us what you trade and how many screens you run, and we'll spec the right machine for you in about 10 minutes. You don't have to understand any of this stuff. That's literally our job, not yours. You're a trader, not a computer technician, and you shouldn't have to be one. And if you're the kind of trader who wants to understand every piece of this before you ever spend a dime, good, you should be. I wrote the whole thing down for you. It's called The Complete Guide to Trading Computers, and it lays out every spec that actually matters, every number that's just marketing nonsense, and exactly what to look for so you never get talked into a Prius with a boat on the back. It's free. There's a link in the description. There's a QR code on your screen. Go grab it before you make a single buying decision. Because here's the bottom line. You do everything else right. You do the homework. You wait for the setup. You manage the risk. And then you hand all of it over to a $400 laptop. Hope for the best. That's the 1 weak link. Don't be the guy leaning into the spinning wheel. One last thing before you go. Slam the subscribe button. I break down a different trading machine or a different platform and a hardware fix every single week. And the next one I want you to see is the build that I call the ultimate trading computer. It's this video right here. Go ahead and watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. May the trend be with you.